Hi everyone. Um, just wanted to show you a demo of the functionality that I created to integrate Zoho Workdrive into Zoho CRM. So as you can see, I created a CRM team folder, and within that there's a leads folder, which is empty at the moment. So if I go back to the CRM and I create a new lead, click on Save to create that lead. And on the left hand side you will see a related list called Workdrive. I click on that, and it's created an empty folder. If I go back to the leads, it's now created the folder with the record ID. Click in there, that's empty. So the first thing you would normally do is to upload some files. Select those two files, drag it across, and the attach button appears. Click on attach, and there the files have been uploaded. I can hover over them to see a preview of them. If I go back here, I see the files have been loaded. If I now want to create a folder structure, so I'm in my home folder now. I create a subfolder, create, okay. So it's created my subfolder. I click in subfolder, and I'm going to create another folder, create folder, say okay. There you go. I click on child folder, takes me to the child folder. I can go back to the subfolder. If I go back to Workdrive, it's created my subfolder and created my child folder. Okay, so now if I go back to the home folder, if I now no longer, if I want to change the name of this file, I have to select the file, go to manage, click on and hover over manage and click rename. Just click on the name and say renamed file. I click on the checkbox next to that field. Refresh and it's called rename the file. I'll go back here and I go back to the folder. I've renamed the file. Now let's say, for example, I want to make a copy of this file into the subfolder. I select the file, hover on manage, and I select copy. I then go into the subfolder. Now click on the paste button appears, click on paste, and the file's been copied. If I go back home, it's still there, just made another copy. If I go back here, so that file is still there, and now there's the copy. If I made a mistake and I actually wanted to move this file to the child folder. I select the file, hover for manage and say move file. I go click on the child folder and the paste button appears. I click on paste and the file has been moved. So if I go back to the subfolder, that file is no longer there. Just go to this one. Go to subfolder. There's a caching issue. If I just refresh, should disappear. So it's been removed from there, and if I click on child folder, it now appears there. If, for example, I had attachments, just select a couple of attachments. Just do that. And so I attach those files, but now, for example, I wanted to move those attachments into my Workdrive folders. Let's go home. Let's create a new folder, demo attachments, create folder. Click on the demo attachments and click sync attachments, and it's being copied. If I now go to my parent folder, folder's been created, demo attachments, and there are your files. If I click on I go back to leads and I go back into the lead name, click on attachments, and attachments has been moved, and it's been a demo attachments. Okay, so that's it for now. If you want any other functionality or if any suggestions of how to make this any better, please feel free to contact me. My next steps is to add the deletion of the files and all folders, and to do some permissions integration. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you. Bye.